A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Cursive letters का revision. See here. Take out your pencil and hold your pencil like this. Now, the first letter of alphabet is A. A for apple. See here. Put your pencil on the blue line and draw with me a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a loop between these two lines. A for apple. The spelling of apple is A P P L E, apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. See here. Put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. A curve. Loop. One more curve. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? B A L L, ball. Now the next letter C. C for cat. See here. Draw a curve, a semicircle. C for cat. What is the spelling of cat? C A T, cat. Now what is the next letter? C for cat. C for cat के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? D. D for duck. See here. Put your pencil on a red line. Draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and stop here. This is letter D. D for duck. The spelling of duck is D U C K. Duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. See here. Draw a curve, a semicircle, one more semicircle, and stop here. This is letter E. E for elephant. Now the spelling of elephant is E L E P H E N T. Elephant. Now the next letter is F. F for fish. See here. Draw a curved line, slanting line, one more curve, and a sleeping line. F for fish. The spelling of fish is F I S H. Fish. Now F for fish के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? G. G for grapes. G for grapes. See here and draw with me. Draw a curve, a semicircle, slanting line, and a curved line. G for grapes. Now the spelling of grapes is G R A P E S. Grapes. Now the next letter is H. H for house. See here. Slanting line, one more slanting line, a loop between these two slanting lines. H. H for house. The spelling of house is H O U S E. House. Now the next letter is I. Very good. I for igloo. See here. Draw a curve, slanting line, one more slanting line, and a curve. I for igloo. Now the spelling of igloo is I G L O O. Igloo. Now the next letter is J. Very good. J for joker. See here. A curve, slanting line, a curved line. J for joker. Now the spelling of joker is J-O-K-E-R. Joker. What is the next letter? K. K for kite. See here. Slanting line, curved line, small loop, one more curved line. K for kite. The spelling of kite is, speak with me, K-I-T-E. Kite. Now L. L for lion. Very good. See here, put your pencil on a blue line. Curve line बनानी है, then आपको small loop बनाना है, then this is slanting line, one more loop, then a curve line. This is letter L. L for lion. The spelling of lion is L-I-O-N. Lion. Now L for lion के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? M. M for monkey. M for monkey. See here. Draw with me. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. One more, and this is last. 4 slanting lines. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now N. N for nest. See here. Slanting line, one more slanting line, again a slanting line. N for nest. The spelling of nest is, speak with me, N-E-S-T. Nest. Now the next letter is O. O for owl. See here. You have to draw a curve, one more curve, and stop here. O for owl. The spelling of owl is, speak with me, O-W-L. Owl. Now the next letter is P. P for peacock. You have to draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, a semicircle, and stop here. P for peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now, what is the next letter after the P? Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. See here. Draw with me. You have to draw a circle from second blue line to the red line, then again red line to the blue line, and you have to draw a small loop and a curve. This is letter Q. Q for queen. Again draw Q for queen. The spelling of queen is, speak with me, Q-U-E-E. Queen. See here again. Circle like this, and a loop, then a curved line. Q. Q for queen. Again see here, circle, loop, and a curved line. Q. Q for queen. Now again draw with me. Circle, curve, then circle, loop, then a curved line. Q. Q for queen. Now again draw with me. Q for queen. The spelling of queen is Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Now what you have to do? You have to do practice. आपको क्या करना है? You have to do homework. अब आपको होमवर्क में क्या करना है? आपको होमवर्क में कर्सिव लेटर की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Then you have to click a picture. Then send it to the school WhatsApp number. Now क्या करना है होमवर्क में? आपको कर्सिव लेटर की प्रैक्टिस करके पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. This is your homework. Till then, take care and keep studying.